Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome to my channel. Today we have this curled updo hairstyle and we're just going to jump right into this video. So I like to shampoo my hair with a clarifying shampoo to make sure my hair is really clean, and I only add this bio silk after I wash my hair when it's wet. Then I go in and I blow dry my hair with this blow dry I got from Amazon. I highly recommend. And since we're adding a lot of heat to our hair today, you don't really need to flat iron your hair with like super high heat. You really could have just left it at blow drying out, but I want to make sure my hair is extra sleek and smooth. But as you can see, my hair is still bouncy and flowy because of that biosilk, which I really recommend. And we're just sectioning off our hair or bang. And you don't want your bangs to be too big and not too small, because you still want some volume. But my bang is actually Cricket Child, but it works. So this part is pretty simple. You're just doing your ponytail. I use edge booster to sleek my hair. You can use any edge control. I just like edge booster because it really holds my hair into place. And I'm just brushing that in, making sure everything is smooth. And for a little razzle dazzle, I like to take a few pieces out on the back. Now I'm gonna curl later on, you'll see that, but I just think it's so cute to have like a little extra curl. You see, I'm doing my ponytail and I'm hyped that I got some hang time because y'all know I'm always freaking bald. But right now I'm sectioning off my pony to curl. You can use a flexi rod or wand curl. I'm just using my flat one I had got from Walmart a few years ago, child. It still works. I don't really know how to tell y'all how to curl because I just be twisting the flat iron. But as you can see, I'm like just curling. I don't even know how to explain it. Just curl your ponytail, child. So you can keep this more of a ponytail, but I kind of made it into like a bunish type of thing. I kind of wish I left it like this, like a ponytail, but I'm just separating the curls and I'm securing some of the curls in the back to give it that more of like a bun type of look. I kind of messed up my ponytail, honestly. Like I feel like I'm left, like you can see like the curls kind of left a little bit in the back, but it's okay. Nobody gonna be really staring at it. But right now I'm just teasing it, making sure it's nice. And as you can see, I'm curling my little razzle dazzle curl in the back. I just think it's so cute. But for the bangs, I kind of did like a feather curl. Y'all know back in the day we did like feather curl. It's kind of giving nab. Like I said, I don't really know how to explain how to curl. I just kind of twist my hair with the flat iron. But it's pretty self-explanatory. And also I'm going to go in with my comb and just kind of structure the bang to make it more like a curtain bang, if that makes sense. But this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe, all that. Follow me on my socials, all content by Dom. And I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye guys.